What's going on, Aries? Welcome to Capricorn season. Hope you're all doing well. This is Jen catching you on DTWJLife. I just wanted to let you know that all readings, single readings that are a half hour, full hour, are discounted all the way up until the early part of January. Just wanted to mention that. And in case you missed it, I did do the Scorpio recap readings before this. So you might want to go back onto my channel, check it out if you missed it. Hopefully you didn't. That'd be really cool. But anywho, yes. I hope that you're all doing well. Also, be sure to view Capricorn's video for Capricorn season because it's going to be in the South Node up until June 2020. Okay. There. I think that's it. Okay. I just want to make sure I got that right. Coming up at the bottom of the deck for you is Zephyr Upright. It's not so much about separation, because Zephyr, if you look up the definition of it, is an extremely light wind or a light breeze. Maybe something that kind of comes through in a very light way, like maybe a gentle reminder or a gentle message telling you what your options are here. Telling you. Interesting, because we have Mercury here, communication, telling you what your options are. North Node energy when it comes to your Dharma. Interesting. But let's focus on karma because we are in Capricorn season and it is in the South Node. What karma has Aries been going through and overcoming? Very interesting that that's a water card. I'm just saying. Very interesting. Okay, let's go through this really quick. The karma that you are going through, or the lessons that you are learning right now, have to do with restoring yourself. Emotionally, financially, anything of that nature. Excuse me, I've been sick. I'm trying to kick that out of my system. I apologize if it sounds really gross. I'm so sorry. But you also have the triple moon here, which denotes a semblance of very strong intuition, but on a level of you restoring yourself. Not so much like you lurking, don't know why that wanted to come out, lurking or looking for things. Instead of that, like I said, Zephyr was at the bottom of the deck. It's going to come to you. No reason to look for it. It's going to come to you. You ask the universe something enough, long enough, strong enough, it's going to come through. And you have to prepare for the answer that's going to come through to you. You're looking at a semblance of restoration here. Clarifying that, yeah, Father of Air, I wanted to say fire. Weird. Father of Air, upright. Father of Fire wanted to come through out of me, and I think the reason why is because maybe some of you feel like you have to fight to restore yourself, when in reality you just have to kind of put yourself to where you have a bird's eye view of everything that's happening, everything that's falling, what's being spoken of, onto whom, why, etc. Laser focus. Bringing things forth to light that you've not seen yet, in the interest of restoring yourself. Second clarifier here is emotional maturity. That stands to reason. It does, because when you put the staves or the wands down and you pick up a different way of handling things, you begin to see things and approach them in a much more mature manner, whether or not your emotions want to. I totally get it. Like your passion can kind of get the best of you at times and you get a little bit pissed off. I get it, dude. But you're coming up emotionally mature here because of the fact that this is what your karma is teaching you to do. It's needed. It is. It's needed. It's also non-negotiable. Fire. My Ram Williams. This is non-negotiable. You also have lunar energy within fire here, South Node. You're going to appear to be passive when you're in this position. It's already been explained, you know what it is, but you're not. It's helping you to gain the insights that otherwise intuitively you tend to look for, when really you should not be bringing that sort of energy to you, because it's not going to help you to restore. That's what makes sense about this whole thing, and it is non-negotiable. Interesting. Is this something that Aries is meant to go through right now during Capricorn season? Yes. Yes. Reason why? The devil's in the details. Capricorn card. You're not going to catch the details if you don't have the bird's eye view. There you go. It's right there, see? There it is. Right there. In all of its glory. Major changes are going to be happening. Not just within you, but within everything that you surround yourself with and by, for the sake of restoring yourself. You've not yet reached the next level of self-mastery as far as this type of karma here is concerned, what you've been going through as of late. However, pragmatically, you are coming in full circle. Or things are coming in full circle for you pragmatically. Should you ask anybody for help or go searching for opportunities, this is what's going to happen. Interesting. This also is in tandem with Father of Air upright. I see why. Because everything that you begin to see falling and happening and being spoken of is obscure, or had been to you at one point, at a certain point. But it's not now, when you take that position. The good news is that you're going to see exactly why it is valuable to embrace it, whether it's painful or not. You understand exactly what the truths are as they're being revealed to you, as you emotionally mature through them. Because of this, you're able to embrace them better, even if you do disagree with them. Because then it helps you to better understand what you don't want to intuit or intuitively look for. What you don't want to drag toward you and your energy that's always growing. It's not all necessary. Okay? Cleanse that out, alright? This way you could celebrate, Forest Upright, celebrate and say, this house is clear. Okay, this way you could do that. Okay, for some of you, it might be a thing of not exactly having the best relationship with your mother. I hate to bring that up, but this might be a thing. Or there may be things about your mother or a mother figure in your life that are less than desirable, particularly in a manipulative way, or an emotionally or intellectually, rather psychologically abusive way. Things that you need to let go of. Right. It's no secret that this sort of energy, whether this is the mother archetype or not, or maybe this is you stepping in the mother role and not being sure of how to be a good parent. You might be confused here. There's a semblance of stagnancy that is not so secret, whatever the situation is. And this is what you need to get through. This is exactly what you're going to be learning through your karmic process here. And like I said, my dear, it is non-negotiable. You do have to go through it. South Node, this is your karmic lesson. Yeah, it's a toughie. It absolutely is. Definitely if you need further guidance, let me know. Consult me. I'm here. Especially with things like this, because I do understand it very well. No, I have a great relationship with my mother. That's not it. I understand it for what it is because I've seen other people go through a lot. But yes, please don't take that the wrong way. I could say something, but I can't help everybody understand it. So I have to, be all like, okay, uber careful about how I deliver it. Got it. Yeah. But yeah, that is your reading, my dear Myriam Woodams. If you need further guidance on this, don't hesitate to consult me. I am here, and I'm always on time with delivering my personal readings. I do not work over the weekends or the major holidays, so no. Okay. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me, for watching me, and I really hope that this has been helpful to you. Until the next video, like I said, feel free to go back on my channel and look for the Scorpio recap video for your sign. Also, be sure to watch Capricorn's video for this season because, hello, karma. I love you guys so much. Until the next one, take care of yourselves. And blessed be.